How does space law manage commercial astronaut debris? Have you ever wondered what happens to the debris created by commercial astronauts during their missions? It's a fascinating topic that involves a lot of rules and regulations. Space law plays a key role in managing this issue, ensuring that space remains safe and sustainable for everyone. At the core of space law are international treaties like the Outer Space Treaty. This treaty states that countries are responsible for all space activities conducted by their nationals, including private companies. This means that nations must oversee commercial missions to ensure they follow guidelines for debris management. One of the main strategies in space law is to prevent debris from being created in the first place. This involves designing spacecraft and mission plans that minimize the risk of debris. For example, engineers work hard to ensure that spacecraft do not explode or break apart in orbit. They also take steps to control the releases of items like spent rocket stages or other hardware. When a spacecraft reaches the end of its life, there are specific procedures it must follow. Commercial operators are expected to remove defunct satellites and rocket bodies from active orbits. This can mean deorbiting the object so it burns up in the atmosphere or moving it to a less crowded orbit, often referred to as a graveyard orbit. The United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space has established guidelines for debris mitigation. These guidelines encourage countries and commercial operators to adopt best practices for reducing debris. They also promote transparency and communication among all space actors. Under space law, the country that launches a spacecraft is liable for any damage caused by that spacecraft, including debris. This legal framework encourages commercial operators to take debris management seriously. By doing so, they can avoid costly claims and maintain a good reputation internationally. Coordination is also essential in managing debris. Commercial operators are encouraged to work together and share information about their activities. This helps prevent collisions that could create even more debris. For astronauts, understanding space law is part of their training. They learn how to operate spacecraft in ways that minimize debris risks. This includes careful maneuvering and following protocols for disposing of spacecraft. In summary, space law manages commercial astronaut debris through a combination of treaties, regulations, and best practices. These measures aim to prevent debris creation, ensure responsible disposal, and promote cooperation among all space actors. This is vital for maintaining a safe environment in space for future missions and commercial activities.